What's up, fellas? AZ Sandman here, and I just got a delivery from FedEx. So I'm going to go ahead and do a quick unboxing. I've seen you guys scoring some, I've seen Jack Ammo and a couple other guys scoring some of these MFT magazines, Mission First Tactical. A couple months ago I saw these at Cabela's and they were like $14.99, and then the price dropped, I guess, to $12.99 or $11.99 or something. But I ended up picking these up from Academy. Yeah, I picked up 4 of them to give them a try, see what it's about. Let's see. And, I'm not going to do a review on them. It's just a little something I picked up. Let's see if I can. Come on, 4 of them at $7.99. Total of $31.96. So there you have it. Just a quick little online magazine score and unboxing. Peace out and stay thirsty, my friends. Well, let's see. I guess the struggle is still real. The hunt for 22 goes on. Well, I guess it is what it is. Worst come to worst, I might be getting me some of these 40-round boxes of tool ammo 762 by 39, but I'm gonna see what I can get. What's up, YouTube? AZ Sandman here. I know it's been a minute, but as you can see from that previous clip, I ended up scoring me some of those Mission First Tactical mags. And today I also hit up my local Walmart and ended up getting me a couple of boxes of some federal ammo, a couple of fun size boxes of federal ammo. Let's see. 122-16, 14-22, and here's what I got. 3 boxes of the federal. I also got 3 additional boxes thanks to the help of my wife. Unfortunately, I ended up losing that receipt. So for today, there's six fun size boxes of the federal, and I broke down and got me one of these 40-round boxes of the tool ammo 762 by 39. And unlike the 20-round boxes that come loose packed, these come clipped on those little plastic holders. 2 holders, 20 rounds each. Not bad. All right. I have some parts coming in to help me with my piecing together of my AR pistol. Hopefully, I'll be able to have that video up and going within the next couple of weeks. All right. Peace out and stay thirsty, my friends.